Hey you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I have this wash and go routine for you guys. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep watching. So I'm going to start off spraying my hair until it's damp. I just washed my hair, and so I'm just wetting it back up, getting it damp. And then I'm going to go in with my Kinky Curly leave-in conditioner, and I'm just going to take a generous amount and apply it all over my hair. So now I'm just going to detangle my hair, and this step is really important to me because this is how I achieve my plum curls. So next I'm going to go in with my Camille Rose Herbal Tea Oil, and I'm just going to apply this before I apply my gel. It prevents my hair from flaking, and I love this product overall, and it keeps my hair moisturized as well. So now I'm going to go in with my Extreme WETLINE gel, and I'm just going to get ready to section my hair up into small sections. So I am sectioning my hair off, and then I'm just going to apply the gel to my hair, and then I'm going to take my diamond brush and I'm just going to brush it through. And then after I brush my hair, I'm going to go behind the diamond brush and do some finger coiling. And for those who don't know how to finger coil, you basically just take a small piece from the section and you twist your hair around your fingers. And the more you twist your hair around your fingers, the tighter your coils will be. I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video that I deep conditioned my hair before I started this video, and I used the TGIN Miracle Repair Protein Treatment Mask, and I applied it after I washed my hair, and I put a plastic cap over it and I set under a hooded dryer for 15 minutes. So I'm doing the same thing I did with my first section. I apply my gel. I'm going to detangle my hair with my diamond brush. I'm going to do some finger coiling, and I'm just going to repeat this all over in the front sections of my hair. So in this clip, I'm showing you guys the difference between my hair on this side, how it is finger coiled, and on this side, not finger coiled. Just showing you guys the difference between the two. So now I am in the back, and I'm just going to do the same thing that I did in the front. However, I will not be finger coiling every strand. More so finger coiling the strands that needs to be coiled. So now I'm going to lay my baby hairs down to my liking, and I'm just using my toothbrush and my Extreme Wetline gel. So this is the final results. This is after I dried my hair under the hooded dryer and I sat under there for about 10 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.